Today we're checking out this SRT style rear bumper dual exhaust diffuser in glossy black for the 2015 to 2023 Charger Daytona, Scat Pack, SRT 392, SRT Hellcat, but excluding the wide body. And it's also going to fit the 2019 to 2023 Charger GT, RT, but excluding the wide body again. If you want a tougher rear look, clean cutouts around those exhaust tips, and a simple bolt-on mod that freshens up the back of the car without going overboard, then this is a solid option that's definitely worth looking into. The key feature here is going to start with a direct fit. The dual exhaust design that follows the bumper lines so it looks factory once it's on. You're gonna get tight finished openings around those tips for a cleaner look. And the diffuser fins give the car a wider, sportier stance. Most folks are gonna add a piece like this when the stock lower valance is scuffed or just too plain, when the new exhaust tips leave too big of a gap, and when they just want a sharp, track-inspired style. The shape can also help clean up the aerodynamics under the car at speed, but the big win here is just gonna be the clean look with that gloss black, and that's gonna pop against most paint colors and ties in with any other black trim on the vehicle. It comes with the hardware that you're gonna need, and it uses the factory mounting points, so there's no goofy brackets or any guesswork. When it comes to the construction on this, it's made from durable ABS plastic that's light, tough, and built for daily driving abuse. The panel is machine cut for smooth edges and a snug fit to the bumper, so it sits straight and doesn't rattle down the road. This gloss black finish is easy to wipe clean and made to handle sun, rain, and road grime without fading over time. These mounting tabs are gonna line up where they should, and the openings around the tips are trimmed clean so your exhaust doesn't rub. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the low $200 price range. For a perfect fit diffuser with that gloss black finish, that's a pretty strong value if you want style without a full bumper swap. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in just 45 minutes of your time right at home in the driveway. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a video from one of our AmericanMuscle customers.
Today we'll be installing an SRT diffuser on my 2021 Scat Pack. And I will show you guys how to install it and what tools you will need. These are the only two tools you will need: a pin remover and a 7mm with a wrench. There's only two tools you'll need. You'll be fine. As I get on the car to show you, it's a pin right here and 4 bolts in the middle for a 7mm and a pin at the end. That's the reason for the 2 tools you'll need. Make sure keep up with your pins. These are essential to plug in your diffuser. Last one. These are 4 bolts you will be taking off. Now you got your 4 bolts. Now take off the 2 ends, 2 pins at the end. Each end, use this. There you go. This one's a little rusty, but this is the pins you have to take out. Now to the other side. Now you just get this clip. This one. That's out. Same, do the same to the other side. There we go. Out with the board, in with the new. As of now, all you guys have to do is match the clips up with the clips on the car. I'm gonna show you now. As y'all guys can see, we are getting somewhere. You have to line up. You have to line them up perfect. And put some force on it once you clamp them in. Put some real good force on it. And when you guys take out your side pins, make sure you take out both ends. So, cause this can go flat, so you can just slide inside. And once you slide it inside, you insert this one, the second end. I'm finna show you. So you guys do this, just like that. Slide that one in, and the part that came with it, just slide that in for security. Just like that. And do that same to the other side. Same thing other side. Everything flush. Now you get your ratchet into 7mm and start tweaking in the bolts. There you go, guys. My bolt's a little rusty. Sorry for that. Just like that. On to the next.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install for the SRT style rear bumper dual exhaust diffuser in glossy black for the 2015 to 2023 Charger Daytona, Scat Pack, SRT 392, and the SRT Hellcat, but excluding the wide body. And it's also gonna fit the 2019 to 2023 Charger GT RT, but again, excluding the wide body. And for all things Challenger and Charger, keep it right here at American Muscle.